The other one naman is the multiplication tricks. The multiply by 5, the technique there is multiply mo by 10, then divide it by 2. Okay, example is a number, 5 times 24. You multiply. Alisin mo yung 5, you multiply it by 10, then you divide it by 2. A classic example is here, 345. Mas malaki na number. The shortcut there is it. Multiply mo yung 345 times 10 divided by 2. Yan na yung answer mo. 1,520 times 5. You multiply it by 10. Oh, nagkamali ako dito. This should have been 15,200. Ay, 1,000. Oo, this should have been 15,000. So, ano dapat ito? Disregard the second example. The first example actually is 345 times 5. The technique there is 345 times 10. Then the second step is divide it by 2. The second example, it should have been 152 times 5. So 152 times 10, 1,520. The second step is you divide it. And the answer should have been 760. Yan naman if it is a multiple of 5. Ito naman ang shortcut dyan sa multiplication. So you take note of it.